Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel Dress, Dine and Shine, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to take your cooking skills to the next level. In today's video, we have something truly exciting for you. We'll be exploring the world of professional chefs and uncovering the secrets to cooking like a true culinary master. That's right, we're diving into how to cook like a chef, tips and tricks you need to know. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible talent and artistry of professional chefs. Their skill and finesse in the kitchen are truly remarkable, but here's the exciting part: you can learn and apply these techniques in your own home kitchen. To help you embark on this culinary adventure, we've curated the most valuable tips and tricks that chefs around the world swear by. So grab a pen and paper, because you'll want to take notes on these. Tip number 1, mise en place, or everything in its place. This is the golden rule of professional chefs. Before you start cooking, make sure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. Chop those veggies, measure your spices, and have everything within arm's reach. This not only saves time but also ensures a smooth and stress-free cooking process. Next up, let's talk about knife skills. Professional chefs have mastered the art of slicing and dicing with precision. Invest in a good quality chef's knife and practice your cutting techniques. From julienne to chiffoni, mastering these skills will elevate your dishes and impress your guests. Now, let's explore the importance of high-quality ingredients. Chefs know that the key to a fantastic dish lies in using the freshest and finest ingredients available. Visit your local farmer's market, select seasonal produce, and opt for high-quality proteins. Your taste buds will thank you. Ah, the magic of cooking with heat. Our next tip is all about mastering different cooking techniques. Chefs are skilled in various methods, such as sautéing, braising, and roasting. Each technique brings out unique flavors and textures. Experiment with different methods and expand your culinary repertoire. Presentation matters. Chefs not only focus on taste but also on the visual appeal of their dishes. To cook like a chef, consider how you present your creations. Plate your food with care, add colorful garnishes, and create a feast for the eyes as well as the taste buds. Organization is key in any chef's kitchen. Take a page from their book and keep your kitchen tidy and well-stocked. Invest in storage solutions, label your spice jars, and arrange your tools for easy access. A clean and organized kitchen sets the stage for an enjoyable cooking experience. Now, here's a special treat for you. We had the privilege of speaking with Chef a renowned culinary expert, who shared some exclusive tips to help you cook like a pro. Chef, one of my top tips is to never be afraid of experimenting. Don't be bound by recipes, let your creativity flow. Taste as you cook and adjust flavors accordingly. Cooking is an art, and you are the artist. Host, isn't it incredible how these tips can transform your cooking? We encourage you to try them out and embrace your inner chef. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few attempts to master these techniques. Enjoy the journey and savor the delicious results. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video and found our tips helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting cooking content. And as always, stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be exploring another fascinating aspect of the culinary world. Until then, happy cooking!